day, they go back into Oyster Town, drop their anchors, and offload all those oysters into the shallows. And that's where they would stay until about every 2 weeks or so, 30 horses and cart would make their way for an overnight journey back to Portland. They travelled at night because it was better for the oyster, and also it's not the half-hour trip that we all enjoy now. It's one of the more prominent oyster houses in Adelaide. Why were they doing it? Like I said, protein was really, bags are out there, these are just cut down so they sit nicely on the plate, 700 mil, and this sock would be about the same length. We'd put about on a line and leave it for 3 months. After 3 months, we come back out and pick it up and take it back to our shed for its very first break. Grading is the bulk of the work that the oyster farm does. It's what keeps us busy 99% of the time. It's a very important part of the oyster farm. The reason behind it, but eventually they'll turn into a sizable oyster. So big stuff, just making our profit margin and then keep better. But after 3 months, what we hope to see, most of our oysters around these two sizes here. Okay? Means that 2.5 million oysters has turned into 25 million oysters to deal with over that period. We've got 3 months they are growing everywhere, from Mexico, West Coast United.